All right. I got a 2008 Chevy Malibu. The issue I was having was that the door lock and unlock function wasn't working. This key fob can't program it because one of the programming steps, you have to shut all doors, lock it, and then go through the procedure of programming it. Well, you can't lock it because both the driver's side and passenger side lock and unlock buttons weren't working. So of course I looked for all my fuses. You have a few on the passenger side. On the passenger side, right by the shift knob, you have fuses in here, which you got a if I remember correctly, it'll be a 15 amp, and I think it's two 15 amp fuses plus that pink one. I remember it provides power to all your windows to roll up and down. And you have another fuse back here in the trunk. It's gonna be right in here. Sorry, I have terrible lighting. My phone's about to die, so just bear with me. It's gonna be on the driver's side. You just pull back a little piece of carpet, undo a door, and you should have a 7.5 amp fuse in there. Well, checked all those fuses. I knew it wasn't my fuses because I have a scan tool that allows me to manually lock and unlock the doors, and that allowed me to know that my door lock actuators are getting power. So it wasn't that. And then both of these illuminate, so I know there's power coming to them too as well. Well, just for shits and giggles, basically, I opened them up. I already did the driver's side. I opened it up. You just got to pry it open from the position that it's in. I'm about to do the passenger side, and now I just got to open it up right from here and then open it up. And basically what the issue is that somehow a lot of moisture got in on the contact points. Where you go down on this button, there's a contact point that touches, I believe it's copper, I'm not sure what kind of material it is. It makes contact, and that sends a signal to the door lock actuator to either open or lock, depending on which side you're pushing on. Well, the driver's side both did not work. Now they both work. I opened them up, and it was green, meaning a lot of moisture is in there. Cleaned them up, and it works just fine. Let me just open this one up real quick so I can show y'all. Alright, I got it open. See, this is the little rubber grommet. You take it off, and as you can see, hopefully I'm able to repair this one. Driver's side wasn't as bad as this one, but basically I just wiped it down with the rag, just enough to make contact to where it works, and I was able to get by. But as you can see, these are fairly simple. I mean, this is the whole switch. I know they're probably cheap online, but if you can repair it, why not repair it? Save you some money. Right now, during the whole epidemic that we're living through, it's worth a shot. But yeah, man, if y'all got any questions, hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help y'all out.